Yeah, you are completely right. The first year was completely different, but we know and we spoke already also with the club about this difficult season. We had a lot of problems to resolve. Yes. So not only things happen on the pitch, and we know this is a fantastic club with fantastic supporter, and this season was very, very hard for everybody, for the player, for us also, and everybody he loved also Persija. We wanted to make the next step. This was the logo also, but yeah, this couldn't happen because of a lot of different situations, different things. We have time also to speak about this also after the season with the board, with the people from Persija. Because the future from Persija is very, very important. This club, they deserve with these fantastic fans to play always for championship, to win something, and maybe one day also to play international football also. Hopefully one day we can play in this fantastic stadium also with 80,000 people. Everybody is waiting. Until now I saw only the picture from outside. And yeah, about the Indonesian football, I think the Indonesian football the last years, the quality I think is higher. When I watched some games many years ago, was not so many tactical things. One team behind, the other team in defense, a lot of long balls and waiting that the fantastic striker that they make some goals in the box. And now change a little bit also. A lot of teams they start also and they try to play football from behind also. I think the tragedy was a disaster for the Indonesian football, because the supporter couldn't go into the stadium. It's different when you play in front of full stadium. It's a completely different situation for the player, for the supporter, for everybody, the people in the television. And maybe this need some months, years also more, that everything is coming back to the normality also, because before was the pandemic, then came this tragedy, and I could see a lot of interesting player also in this league, very, very good, also from other teams. Some games, it's like in Europe also, you didn't like so much because maybe no fans in the stadium. Is when you play in Germany without fans, you have the feeling, oh, this is a friendly game. You need the atmosphere. You need that the guys they play in the home stadium and they don't travel to Bali to play a home game. And then I think also a lot of young player, Indonesian young player, they had a development also from my team. So they can see, they can train every day with a foreigner, and they have a good mentality. So these 2 years was not only adventure, I could also learn a lot of things from Indonesian football, and I'm very thankful to be here. And also when the season was not so good, I think it was more positive things than negative things.
Oke, sama setuju sama Mas. Memang tahun pertama memang kita sangat berbeda dengan apa yang terjadi dengan musim ini. Memang saat ini kita memang mengalami musim sangat sulit karena banyak dinamikanya, dan memang harusnya klub seperti ini, klub yang fantastis seperti ini tidak mengalami kesulitan seperti ini. Memang slogannya kita pernah menyebutkan to the level, tapi memang kita untuk tahun ini tidak bisa melakukan ini. Jadi setelah musim ini, Mas akan bicarakan dengan para atasan untuk bicarain kenapa kita gagal di tahun ini. Dan karena Mas bilang lagi, untuk klub ini harusnya selalu tiap tahunnya untuk mencoba untuk meraih gelar, apalagi kita juga harusnya bermain di laga-laga internasional juga. Dan Mas juga sangat berharap sampai kapan kita main di GBK tapi nggak boleh, karena saat ini Mas hanya lihat videonya full, tapi sampai sekarang nggak ada kejadian. Jadi tapi setelah melihat selama 2 tahun ini dari sepak bola Indonesia, Mas menilai semuanya sudah meningkat karena mungkin sebelum dia datang banyak tim yang melakukan long ball dan sisanya striker yang melakukan aksi dan membuat gol. Tapi sekarang banyak
build
up dari bawah, dari belakang. Dan memang tragedi Kanjuruhan memang membuat sepak bola Indonesia juga, karena nggak ada supporter itu juga sangat mempengaruhi sebuah tim. Dan mungkin berapa bulan atau sampai berapa tahun baru bisa kembali normal lagi. Memang kurang beruntung karena sebelumnya kita ada COVID, selalu ada tragedi Kanjuruhan juga. Jadi memang seperti itu. Dan memang sangat kurang bagus bagi Persemas saat datang ke beberapa tempat tidak ada supporter, harus netral seperti contohnya 2 laga kemarin. Jadi kita juga mengalami beberapa dinamika sehingga tidak bisa bermain di Jakarta, tidak harus main di Bali. Jadi Persemas juga sangat menyiapkan hal itu. Dan untuk bicara soal pemain muda, Persemas bilang bahwa pemain kita banyak pemain muda khususnya di Persija berkembang sangat baik karena mereka selalu berlatih dengan para pemain asing yang dibawa oleh Persemas. Dan Persemas pun juga bilang selama 2 tahun ini saya juga belajar banyak
sepak bola Indonesia
itu di luar sepak bola juga. Dan setelah menjalani 2 tahun bersama Persija, memang untuk musim ini kita tidak bagus, tapi lebih banyak hal positifnya daripada